What is good, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Jay, and today I have another amazing recipe for you all to enjoy. We are going to be making some crispy, hot, honey fried shrimp, baby. These are just absolutely everything, and I cannot wait for you guys to give it a try. Let's not waste any time and get right on into the recipe. Let's go. All right, so we are going to begin with a little bit of all-purpose flour. You want to go ahead and get that into a bowl. Of course, everything will be listed on the screen as well as in the description box. We're going in with our seasoning. We are then going to hit it up with some hot sauce, 1 large egg, and the secret ingredient to this batter right here is some club soda. Go ahead and get that in there and give it a mix. This club soda, the carbonation is going to make this batter extra crispy. Please trust and believe me. I'm letting you know right now. And now we are just gonna dump in our shrimp. This is about 1.5 pounds-ish of some jumbo shrimp. You wanna make sure this is well coated in that batter right there. You can honestly let this sit for, like 30 minutes in the fridge, or you could go ahead and just move on to the next step, which is shaking off the excess from your shrimp and dropping it right into some plain flour. Yes, I said plain flour, but trust and believe me, our wet batter has so much seasoning and so much flavor. That's all that you need. So go ahead and top off your Tupperware, give it a shake, and put it off to the side. And you're just gonna basically repeat this process until you have your shrimp, all of your shrimp, well coated up. This is a lot of shrimp we're working with, so for sure we're gonna do batches. When it comes to breading, we're doing batches, and when it comes to frying, we are also doing it in batches, baby. So I have my oil to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and we're gonna get these bad boys frying. And this pan right here is so freaking cool. I got it off of Amazon. Comes with the basket, comes with everything you need, comes with a steamer as well if you have a need for that. I will link it down below. You'll see my Amazon storefront, and it'll be right there for you to get your hands on one just like me. So go ahead and get your shrimp in there. We're gonna let these bad boys go for about, let's say, 5 to 6 minutes, or until they are nice and golden brown. And like I said, we are working with batches. This is the first batch going in. I'm not gonna make you see each and every single one. You get the idea. Let it go, give it a shake, check it here and there, making sure they are looking pretty. They are almost there at this point. It is looking so good, guys. You cannot tell me this does not look delicious. And right here is the end result. OMG, stop playing with me. Shrimp looking so good. Moving on, we're gonna go ahead and get that hot honey sauce going. I got a little bit of unsalted butter in my pan. We're gonna drop in our hot sauce. I'm using Louisiana hot sauce. Go ahead and give that a mix. We are then gonna add in a little bit of honey. Equal parts honey, equal parts hot sauce. But if you like your sauce on the sweeter side, you can add a little bit more honey, if you know what I mean. Let that come up to a simmer, and you are pretty much ready to coat up your shrimp, baby. You can toss your shrimp in a bowl, but I want my shrimp to have plenty of crunch. I do not want them getting soggy, so I am just gonna drizzle it right over the top just like so. And this is the end result, baby. I did garnish with some freshly chopped parsley, and you are ready to bust down. And you know, yes you know, I gotta hit you with that famous B-roll. So let's do it. Let me tell you, these are looking good, smelling good, and I cannot wait to dig in. Let's not waste any time, guys. It's looking amazing. Cheers, everybody. Yo, stop playing with me. These are so good. This right here is top notch. This right here will get you in trouble. This is just too darn good. Too darn delicious. I ain't got nothing to say. Get in the kitchen, whip this up right here. Come on now. I hope you guys all enjoyed today's video. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. Rock that notification bell so you don't miss out on the latest video. Leave your boy a like so YouTube knows you're loving the content. And I'll be sure to see you all on the next video. Deuces. I'm out.